The next two shapes that we're going to look at are triangles and trapezoid. So let's count how many sides triangles have. So just like yesterday, this red line is going to represent how many sides there are. So this is one straight line, so one side. This is another straight line on the bottom, so far it has two sides. And the straight line on the right is the third side. So using another triangle that's perfectly drawn, we can count the sides as well. So 1, 2, 3. So it doesn't matter what direction you go, just as long as you don't count the same line over. So you can count it also like this. You can start at the bottom. 1 side, 2 sides, and a third side. So triangles, or this triangle has 3 sides. What was going on? Oh, here. So now let's look at the vertices, and remember another word for vertice is corner. So a vertice is where two straight lines meet. So here we have 1, 2, 3. And we're going to use our yellow triangle to look at the corners again. So we have a point right here, so that's a corner or a vertice. 1, 2, and we have one more right here where two lines meet. So we have 3 vertices. So triangle has 3 vertices. The next shape we're going to look at is trapezoid. So can you guys say the word trapezoid? Trapezoid. So trapezoid is another shape that has 4 sides, but it looks pretty different compared to a square and a rectangle. So this top line, straight line, is 1 side, 2 sides, 3, and 4. So a trapezoid has 4 sides. And the biggest difference that a trapezoid has compared to a square or a rectangle is it only has 2 lines that are that match each other. So look, this line goes right to left, and this line goes right to left too. And these lines are different because it goes in. It kind of looks like a triangle or a volcano. So now let's look at the vertices. So here the lines meet, and that's a corner, so that's a vertice. So 1, let's go down here, we're going to find another corner. 2, let's follow that side to find a corner where the 2 lines meet. 3, and let's go back up, and here's another vertice. So a trapezoid has 4 vertices. Here, so you're going to draw a triangle on a piece of paper with a red marker or crayon, outline the sides, like how we did with the pictures before. You're going to answer this question: how many sides does it have? Does it have 1, 2, 5, 6, 4? So that's the question you're answering. With a blue marker or crayon, color the vertices or corners. How many vertices does a triangle have? And then your last step is you're going to take a picture and you're going to send it to me so I can see your beautiful work. And the same directions, but here you're going to draw a trapezoid.